Alright, starting off with the I do, I'm going to go and start with step 1. Step 1, I'm going to use the 2 points. So write the equation of the line that passes through the following points. I do -5, 1, and 0, 4. Use the 2 points to solve for the slope. And the slope is delta y over delta x. So here's my first point. And here's my second point. So remember, it's going to be delta y over delta x. So delta y going from 1 to 4 is going to be plus 3. Going from -5 to 0 is going to be plus 5. This is my delta x. So my slope, m, is equal to delta y over delta x. That's going to be 3 over 5. Right, that is step 1. Find m. M is 3 over 5. Alright, moving on with step 2. Step 2. Wow. Did not write that well. Step 2. Plug in your slope and 1 point into point slope form. Y minus y1 is equal to m parentheses x minus x1. Alright, so I'm going to choose a point. Doesn't matter which point, I'm going to choose a point. I'm going to choose this one. So my point is going to be -5, 1. And my slope is going to be m is equal to, that I found earlier was 3 over 5. Alright, now I'm going to plug both the x1 and the y1 into my point slope. Y minus y1 is equal to m parentheses x minus x1. Alright, so here is the formula. Y minus y1 is equal to m parentheses x minus x1. So my y1 was going to be 1. My x1 is going to be -5. My m goes right here. So I have y minus, because y minus y1, y minus 1 is equal to 3 over 5 x minus -5. So I'm going to write x plus 5. So it's going to be x minus, and my x1 is -5, so x plus 5. Alright, this is step 2. This is the hardest step. Actually, just kidding. The next step's the hardest step. Step 3. My goodness, I do not have any conception of time and space. Step 3 is going to be isolate the y. So get the y variable by itself and turn it into y equals mx plus b. So I have y minus 1 is equal to 3 over 5. Parentheses x plus 5. Alright, so I'm solving for y. The first thing I should do is I should distribute this. Multiply it in. On the left side, so I have y minus 1. On the right side, 3/5 times x is 3 over 5x. 3/5 times 5. I'm going to do that on the side for you. So this cancels out because you have 5 over 1, so 5 and 5 cancels out, and I just have 3 plus 3. The last step to get y by itself is I need to get rid of this -1 with a +1. This cancels out. Y is equal to 3 over 5 x plus 4. Bam. Slope intercept. Y is equal to 3/5 x plus 4. Alright, so it's a long process, but it's not too complicated. I know you guys can get it. Let me know if you have any questions.